Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to send a document for signing in DocuSign. So just log into your account. Once you log into your account, go where it says Get Signatures. And here it will create an envelope. First, we need to upload the document that needs to go for signing. Just upload. I'll drag a file, okay? I'll choose this one. Then we add it in. Once it's here, then here you have to add the recipient, the people who are supposed to be signing the document. So you give them a name. And here the email. Once you do that, then here you can also add multiple recipients. And here, that's where you can choose the category if you want. And if you're done with this, and here, the main heading of the document they need to sign for, make sure it's clear. You can also add an additional message if you want. And after you're done, click on next. And here, they need to sign where it says the first witness. So you go here and look for the signature as you see, and then you drop it at the place they need to sign. And tell them to sign here. And also if they need to fill out the name, then you put here for them to fill out their full name. To send the document, you just need to click here and click send, and then they have to sign on their part. And you're done.